Have you ever pondered what makes a child's mind tick? It's the insatiable curiosity, the incessant whys and hows they throw at us. This curiosity is the driving force behind a child's exploration and learning. Studies have shown a significant correlation between a child's curiosity and their capacity for learning. Their ceaseless questions are not just adorable, they're the stepping stones to their world of knowledge. Indeed, the spark of curiosity in a child's mind is the first step towards exploration. Imagine a young child no older than 5 in a garden set loose for the first time. There's an air of excitement, a spark of curiosity gleaming in the child's eyes. A world of unknown awaits, ready to be discovered. Now picture this. The child stoops down, intrigued by a ladybug crawling on a leaf. This simple act, believe it or not, is the child's first step into a lifelong journey of exploration and learning. As the child reaches out to touch the leaf, a sense of touch is activated. The leaf's texture, whether it's smooth or rough, cold or warm, all these sensory details are being absorbed and processed. The child's brain is like a sponge, soaking in every bit of information. The child's exploration doesn't stop at the sense of touch. The vibrant colors of the garden, the chirping of the birds, the fragrance of the flowers, all contribute to the multi-sensory experience. This is how children learn about the world. Through their senses, they touch, they see, they hear, they smell, and sometimes they even taste. And then there's the concept of size and distance. The child picks up a pebble and then a larger stone. They feel different, don't they? One is small, the other is big. One is light, the other is heavy. The child throws both and they land at different distances. This is how the child starts to understand the basic concept of size and distance through first-hand experiences. Now let's talk about cause and effect. The child pushes a ball and it rolls. The child pulls a flower and it comes off the plant. These actions and their consequences are all part of the learning process. The child is understanding that every action has an effect. Exploration is essential for children. It's not just about playing. It's about learning, growing, and understanding the world around them. It's about making sense of how things work, how they feel, how they smell or taste, and how they interact with each other. In the garden, every leaf, every insect, every stone is a new lesson for the child, a new piece in the puzzle of understanding the world. Now, consider the role of adults in this exploration journey. As significant figures in a child's life, adults play a vital part in fostering a sense of exploration. This can be achieved by creating an environment that is both secure and stimulating. A place where curiosity is encouraged, where questions are welcomed, and where creativity is applauded. A critical concept to understand in this regard is scaffolding. Much like the temporary structure around a building under construction, adults can provide a supportive framework for a child's learning. This doesn't mean doing the work for them, but rather assisting them in overcoming obstacles, showing them the path, and then allowing them to walk it themselves. Providing an environment conducive to exploration is one aspect. Equally important is respecting a child's pace and style of exploration. Just as every child is unique, so too is their journey of discovery. Some may leap into new experiences while others may prefer to take their time, observing before diving in. As adults, it's crucial to appreciate these differences and not rush the process. In essence, the adult's role is akin to that of a gardener, nurturing the seeds of curiosity and watching them grow, providing the necessary care and support, but allowing the plant to grow in its own way, in its own time. The adult's role is not to dictate, but to guide, not to hold back, but to provide the wings for the child's exploration journey. So, what have we learned today? We've journeyed through the intriguing world of child exploration, opening our eyes to its invaluable significance. We began by delving into the power of questions, understanding how they ignite the spark of curiosity and exploration in children. We saw how this journey of exploration is not a straight path, but a vibrant, winding voyage full of discovery and learning. We then explored the role of adults in this process. Adults, be it teachers, parents, or caregivers, play an essential part in nurturing this curiosity, providing the right environment and support for children to explore freely. We understood that this exploration is not just about physical discovery, but also about building cognitive, social, and emotional skills, all pivotal to a child's learning and development. Remember, every child is an explorer, and every exploration is a step towards a greater understanding of the world. Let's continue to encourage and support their inquisitive minds and adventurous spirits.